Introducing Shadow Slave Audiobook Website. I've created a completely free audiobook website for Shadow Slave with tons of amazing features. Check it out at snovel.app. Features: full audio narration for all chapters, custom playback speed, sleep timer with chapter range selection, fully responsive, auto-resume from where you left off, real-time chapter updates, easy chapter navigation, progress save automatically, 100% free, no ads, no signups, no payments, just pure reading listening experience. Visit snovel.app. Enjoy.
Chapter 2764. Bet against the devil. Sonny raised an eyebrow. A bet? Asterion shrugged. Well, I do hate to admit it, but the young lady is somewhat correct. Indoctrinating subjects of her domain has indeed proven to be more difficult than I anticipated. Chapter 2766. A bitter reversal. By the time Effie and Sonny reached the ivory tower, the rest were already there. They had seen the unusually lively streets of Bastion on the way. The growing crowd of prominent champions of the human domain gathered on the pier of the castle, waiting for a ferry to come and take them to the Ivory Island, where, without a doubt, representatives of the Immortal Flame clan would shine a light on the preposterous.
You can set a timer to stop and do from and to options.
Chapter 2732. Quiet Plague. Sonny walked across the desolate floor of the factory, his expression dim. He felt bitter. It was one thing to encounter an enemy who used his own strength against him. An insidious and cunning enemy, one different from both the malevolent nightmare
It saved progress even when closed.
creatures whom Sonny had slain in the past, and from the
Also, it has a bot bullet into that fetches chapters as they get out. Phones are supported too. Enjoy.